accumulation of eating refined sugars and having high amounts of starches or carbs, plus the activation of your genetic variants, right? Which then does not allow you to absorb your nutrients, which is you'll start to get the plaquing in the gut and the tonsils, you get the coating on the tongue, your yeast and candida overgrow, and this will do what? It does many things. It keeps you from absorbing the minerals you need to activate your energy. But any minerals you do intake, those infections usually will eat up. So you have this plaquing that occurs in the gut, and that can create malabsorption. In the same instance, any of those infections are very hemolytic. Many of those will actually absorb iron, and many of those infections will do what? They'll feed off certain metals. So you could have iron that could be robbed, leading to anemia, cold hands, cold feet, a pale complexion. Then you have malabsorption, and you get a sickly person when they're a kid. All from the overgrowth of the mucoid plaque and the biofilms, not only in the